Welcome to FoodCycler. In this video, we'll show you how to run your first cycle on your Eco5. The FoodCycler can be used or placed in just about any area indoors that has a power outlet and sufficient space. The unit must be placed on a dry, flat surface. Now let's review what can and cannot be put into your FoodCycler Eco5. Your FoodCycler Eco5 can grind most of your household food scraps. Like any healthy diet, the FoodCycler performs best when fed a wide variety of foods. To ensure optimal food waste breakdown, add different types of food waste to every cycle, with heavier or particularly wet foods combined with lighter or drier foods. Now let's review how to prepare your food scraps to give you the best results. While you can add food scraps to the bucket when it is in the unit, we do recommend that you remove the bucket and add your waste to it first. Then add the filled bucket into the FoodCycler. This ensures food waste does not spill over or into the unit. The bucket can be removed from the Eco5 unit and is a helpful companion to use near your food prep area, where you can easily add your scraps as you prepare your meal. Be sure not to overload or pack down the food waste in the bucket. Now that you've filled the bucket, you are ready to run your first cycle. Place the bucket into the lid. Close the unit lid. Make sure your unit is plugged in. Press the on button. You will see the LED track begin to rotate. This indicates that your cycle is running. The FoodCycler uses a 3-phase cycle to grind and aerate nearly all types of food waste. The last phase cools the bucket and its contents so you can remove it safely. You may add food waste to the FoodCycler at any time during the cycle. To do so, pause the cycle by opening the lid. Add the additional food waste and close the lid. The LED track will continue from where it paused and the cycle will continue. Please note that adding food waste later in the cycle might result in contents not being completely broken down at the end of the cycle. You may want to start a second cycle until you're satisfied with the results. This cycle will continue through its phases quietly and will stop once all phases are done and the unit is cooled and safe to touch. The unit will switch off automatically once the last phase is complete. You may now remove the bucket from the unit, empty the byproduct, and begin collecting your food scraps again. Learn more at www.foodcycler.com.